July 5th, 1943. The steps around Kursk thunder.
Behind a ridge near Prokhorovka is something no one understands. A 73-ton behemoth from 2017.
The M1A2 SEV V3 weighs 73 metric tons. That's 146,000 pounds. It's powered by a 1,500 horsepower gas turbine engine. Its armor is so advanced that even modern anti-tank weapons struggle against.
The stars of the show are the 146 Tiger I heavy tanks with their 88 guns. 200.
And these aren't just museum pieces in 1943. They're crewed by veterans who conquered France, crushed Yugoslavia, and nearly took Moscow. The loader slams a sabot round home. The 120mm gun barks. Downrange, the Tiger's turret launches. SS Panzer Corps charges forward with 300 tanks and assault guns. The Abrams hull down on perfect terrain and methodically destroys them.
Every shot connects. Every hit kills. The computer doesn't miss and doesn't stop firing. The coax is down to its last belt. The 50 cal mount lights up with ammunition warnings.
Worse, the turbine has been running continuously for 8 hours.
Fuel gauges show 20%. In an hour, maybe 2, the terror of the battlefield will become a paperweight, a sitting duck.
Infantry teams with satchel charges creep through ravines. Artillery observers call in coordinates.
A lucky 150mm shell actually lands close enough to damage the Abrams thermal imaging array. Suddenly, its overwhelming advantage shrinks.
It can still fight, but now it's half blind.
The crew makes a tactical decision. Withdraw while they can still move.
As the Abrams reverses from its position, German units cautiously advance over a battlefield littered with hundreds of their destroyed vehicles. When Operation Citadel ends, the Germans have lost over 400 tanks in the southern sector alone, most to a single vehicle.
Some tank crews refuse to advance, believing the Soviets have deployed super tanks. But the strategic impact is minimal.
Or what do you think would happen? If you're curious, what would happen if a modern submarine fought at Pearl Harbor? Check out the video on screen now. Thanks for watching. Explore our other thought-provoking scenarios. Until next time, stay curious. Don't miss our other episodes. Click one of the videos on screen now.
Connect with us.